broker Samantha Gald of Boatshed Newport. I am on board this custom-made, one-of-a-kind, 50-foot multi-hull Aircat catamaran that has been designed as a passenger ferry with seating for up to 60 passengers and 2 crew. She has twin Yanmar diesel engines with 900 horsepower, which give her the capacity for a maximum speed of 50 knots in calm waters. It is a one-of-a-kind offering. It has a current commercial application which could be adapted for other uses, such as a fishing charter with the removal of some of the seats. She's got 8 bilges, 2 Yanmar auxiliary engines forward here with some fans, 1 port, 1 starboard each. There is a spray hood shelter along the side. She comes fully equipped with all of the required life jackets and is Coast Guard certified as a passenger ferry. For more information on this vessel, including up to 80 photographs, please visit our website at www.boatshednewport.com, and this is Samantha Gald.